Imagine waking up one day and realizing your 9 to 5 isn't the sole driver of your income. You're earning money even while you sleep. Sounds unreal, right? But for thousands of young Americans, it's a reality. Today, I'm revealing 10 powerful side hustles that can fast-track your journey to financial freedom. Stick with me because number 10 is a game changer you won't want to miss. So let's kick things off with something you can start today. Do you enjoy crafting words that inspire, inform, or entertain? Freelance writing is a high-demand skill that pays well. Companies and websites are constantly looking for blogs, marketing copy, and articles. The best part? You don't need a degree, just solid writing skills and a portfolio. Imagine earning $100 for a single article that takes you just a few hours to write. Don't overthink it. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make it easy to get started. If you think, but I'm not Hemingway, let me stop you there. Most businesses just need clear, engaging content. No poetic flair required. Once you've sharpened your skills here, let's move to a hustle that's even more scalable. Dropshipping is the art of running an online store without keeping inventory. With platforms like Shopify and suppliers like Oberlo, you can set up shop and start selling in a matter of days. Picture this. You're asleep and your store makes a sale. Someone else fulfills the order and you pocket the profit. While it takes effort up front to market your store, the potential returns can be life-changing. What's even better? Side hustle number 3 lets you tap into a gold mine without needing a website at all. If you're spending hours on TikTok or Instagram, why not get paid for it? Businesses need social media managers to grow their online presence. Your job? Create engaging posts, schedule content, and interact with followers. It's as simple as turning your scrolling skills into a $25 to $50 per hour gig. Start by reaching out to local businesses or using freelancing platforms. Ready for a hustle that doesn't just pay well but also builds passive income? Let's dive in. Print on Demand lets you design and sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without handling inventory. You upload your designs to platforms like Printful, sync them with an online store, and every time someone orders, the platform handles production and shipping. The trick is finding trendy designs that appeal to your target audience. Think of it as combining creativity with cash flow. Speaking of creativity, side hustle number 5 can turn your hobbies into a serious income stream. Digital products like ebooks, templates, or online courses are incredibly lucrative because you create them once and sell them forever. Do you know a skill others want to learn? Package it into a product and sell it on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Every sale becomes passive income, freeing you to work on other hustles. Quick question. If you could teach a class on any topic, what would it be? Write it down. It could be your next income stream. Now let's pivot to a hustle that's booming thanks to the rise of remote work. Virtual assistants help businesses with tasks like email management, scheduling, and customer support. If you're organized and good at multitasking, this is perfect for you. The demand is high and rates start at $20 an hour and go up as you gain experience. It's a hustle where your efficiency directly translates into earning more in less time. From remote work, let's step into the world of local opportunities. You've likely seen those TikTok videos of people flipping thrift store finds for big profits. It's not just a trend, it's a legit hustle. Visit garage sales or thrift shops, find undervalued items, and resell them on platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Start with a $20 investment and you'd be surprised how quickly it can snowball. For those who want to work smarter, not harder, side hustle number 8 is a must-see. Platforms like Lending Club allow you to earn by lending small amounts of money to individuals or businesses. The returns can range from 5% to 10%, and while there's some risk, diversifying your investments minimizes it. Think of it as playing the bank and letting your money grow while you sleep. Now we're entering the final stretch, and these last 2 hustles are designed to multiply your earnings. Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by promoting products you love. You don't need a huge following. Even a small, engaged audience can generate income. Use platforms like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale to start earning every time someone makes a purchase through your unique link. And finally, the hustle that's creating millionaires left and right. Whether it's a YouTube channel, a podcast, or a blog, content creation builds a long-term asset that generates income through ads, sponsorships, and more. Yes, it takes time to grow, but the payoff can be enormous. Focus on topics you're passionate about and stay consistent. Imagine being paid to share your ideas with the world. Which side hustle resonates with you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you're serious about building wealth, don't miss my next video, Biggest Money Mistakes to Avoid in Your 20s. Click the end screen to watch it now. Remember, every day you delay is a day you're not closer to financial freedom. Let's make it happen together.